I put Kingdom Hearts Chain of Memories specifically. I know they
Okay.
have Kingdom Hearts, the remasters,
Mm-hmm.
which I think are pretty awesome. Chain of Memories I stuck on there because my brother used to play that on the Game Boy Advance.
Oh, that's the card one?
Yeah, it's the card one. And then they came out with the PS2 version.
Okay.
And the PS2 version, I didn't play the PS2 version, but I watched my brother play it. It was different. Like they changed the whole gameplay.
Okay.
I mean, you went from like this over top 2D card mash game to like this 3D kind of thing. So
Yeah.
it was very different. And I want to consider that as a remake. And
I'd definitely consider that a remake.
I considered it a pretty good remake, even though I didn't really play it. The fact that they instead of just porting over, I was like, oh, that's not a bad idea.
Issue I have with that game
All right,
is,
here we go.
regardless of what version I play, it sucks. I love the Kingdom Hearts series. I am a huge fan of it.
But you don't like Chain of Memories.
I hate Chain of Memories.
Oh yeah, it's not my
the
favorite.
Game
either.
Boy, whatever one that sucked.
It was just
It's
one of
like-
those,
It just
like-
it was so different. I didn't like it. You know, I wanted I just want to play the PlayStation ones. You know,
Yeah, I get you.
that's just how I want. I want it to be a full out like RPG like it is in the 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah, it was the only one that I felt out of all the Kingdom Hearts games that they changed the most.
Yeah, I mean they did the because I have it on. I have the story so far, Kingdom Hearts: The Story So Far, which has every game besides 3.
Okay.
Into 1 for the PlayStation 4, and I played it on there. I didn't get super far on it, but I do. I mean, it looks great. It's just I don't
Just
care
not your
for that
kinda
game. I just don't care for that game.
Fair enough.
But it was. I will admit, it was a great remake, considering what it came from.
Yeah, and it was one of those games I almost forgot was considered to be a remake.
Yeah.
That's why I put it on my list. I was like, you know what, that was a pretty good remake. Like that was
Yeah.
one of those, like if I had the Game Boy Advance and I loved it, like I'd probably definitely buy it on the PS2. I didn't really play it too much, so I was like, it's whatever. But I mean, I saw it and I was like, wow, I'm impressed. They didn't just port it over
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
just left it out. And just
Looks
like,
good.
"Nah, that's not a game for us."
And they're porting so much stuff on the Switch and whatnot. It's getting a little crazy.